You will let me. Oh, I see. Hi. Hi there. Experience it, fam. How's it going? We are here at Meyer the night before our great trip to Tennessee. We're gonna have a lot of great video stuff for you, but we gotta pick up the essentials. Trevor over there has.
Praise the Sun King.
It's funny because the problem is we're here. Trevor's here for a toothbrush, and you know why? Because we get to the park to meet up with Nate, and Trevor is getting out shorts to play frisbee. And
launched my toothbrush into the parking lot.
Yeah. Bristol's down, so we're here for a new toothbrush. Here for the essentials.
That's nasty.
You wanna come with me? Let's go.
Apple Barn and Cider Mill.
What are you eating?
Chick-fil-A. Got me a peach ring.
So Nate, do you want to tell the people what you just realized about 4.5 hours into our drive here?
I realized that all humans make mistakes, and that this human made 2 mistakes. One, I forgot my hiking boots, which is a big hill, because I also didn't bring tennis shoes. And 2, I forgot my entire camera bag with my drone, my regular camera, my tripod, all my accessories, my extra batteries. I forgot everything. Except this, because I didn't bring this.
Because he delegated it to
I gave it to Jake, which I should have done with everything. I should have given everything to Jake.
That's fair.
I'll put that on record. I forgot everything. It's okay, because
We have backup.
we have lots of cameras, and we can do lots of stuff. And I'm gonna go to a moonshine tasting and forget that I forgot everything. So yeah, that was great.
Yeah.
Good work, Nate. Good work.
Top notch as always.
Yeah, we're gonna be okay. I mean, we still have a lot of camera stuff, so we should be fine. I would just like to say, yeah, that, you know, we have the GoPro because I had it by my backpack in the morning.
You made like you held on to it.
You said this is your friend.
Well, I
For
even
the
asked.
weekend.
I said, "Do you have the GoPro?" And you said, "Like this morning."
Yeah.
And if you hadn't had it, if it was in the bag, you would have said no, and then I would have went and got the bag. So now it's your fault. So now it's your fault.
It's my fault. It was my fault for doing the job that it was asked of me.
Well, okay. As I said earlier, what was I saying? We forgot something. We forgot. What did we forget that I was saying? We all
So you
forgot it.
that we forgot something.
Yeah, I forgot what we forgot. Well, we forgot something else. And then I was like, well, I didn't just forget it. We all forgot it. Maybe it was my shoes.
Must have.
Must have been.
I don't know what else
I
we
don't know.
forgot.
I don't know what. It's okay. But we forgot the bag. We dropped the bag. No cap.
Alcatraz East. Sure.
A long time it's taken me, but I figured out now to some degree. This life, it happens fast.
Hey Nate,
Hey,
where are we at?
right now we're at the island in Pigeon Forge. I came here one time and it was really sunny. It was really nice. It was way too hot, but now it's like pretty nasty. But we're gonna go to Old Smoky, right over there, past the dance and do some moonshine. If anyone can explain what 7D is, please do. I don't understand how something can be 7-dimensional. Unless we've discovered new dimensions since the last time I took science, which I'm not sure.
We got basically jungle gym. It was like Thanksgiving in my mouth. I need the nearest Starbucks ASAP. Go ahead, Trev.
Definitely feeling that one a little bit more.
Does that taste more like, it feels like more like apple pie than the pumpkin pie felt like
Oh
pumpkin
yeah, for
pie,
sure.
right?
The pumpkin
Yeah.
pie was just spicy. This is actual
Yeah.
apples
All
here.
right. Yeah.
All right, Nate, you're going first.
I can't watch it.
Let's go, youngin. Let's go, youngin.
I'm here for that though.
No facial expression. That watermelon.
Nate, thoughts?
That was good. I love watermelon.
It's a good call.
Watermelon.
Watermelon.
And I won't come down. I got a big idea I wanna show to you.
It's an Amish company.
They get hungry.
Washing my moonshine down with sweet tea. Cause south.
Trevor, now that we started with that, Trevor, give me your top 3 of the 8 that we tasted at Old Smoky.
I would have to say the sour watermelon, the apple pie, and the Hunt's Punch are probably my top 3.
I would say my top 3 in no particular order because I didn't have enough time to think that out.
Okay.
Sour watermelon,
Okay.
the 150th anniversary, which is straight up.
Honestly, that wasn't bad.
Wasn't bad.
I liked it
I
actually.
feel like I'm privileged to try that. And the whiskey. The salted caramel whiskey. Really good. Just as a whiskey fan and a bourbon fan.
Okay.
Gotta be whiskey. The watermelon one.
Top 3, that's a great question. Obviously sour watermelon. I mean, classic. Great one. Great one.
It's like the Hunch
struggle
Punch, but it
because
actually tastes
I
good.
struggle because I don't know if the Hunch Punch made sour apple sweeter than it really is.
It's pretty low proof, so.
I know. I'm just wondering because I think the sour apple was pretty solid actually. I had high expectations for the pumpkin pie. It was a little let down.
A little let down.
I would say that the apple pie would probably be my top 3. Yeah, the Hunch Punch was good, but it's hard to even remember that. There were 8 after it, and just remembering the taste, I don't. I'll go off the book here. I will say that the apple, like just the strip apple, I thought was pretty solid.
I would like to point out that as this interview started, Jake leans over and whispers in my ear, so we had sour apple, right?
Why do you say things?
So would you recommend doing it again? Take a few first.
Yes.
6 out of 5 stars.
I will go back later today.
Oh hey, welcome to the cabin.
I got a big idea I wanna show to you. So now I know I'm alive. Oh, now I know I'm alive.
Yeah, this is the one I was talking about.
Then we're gonna go back down to go zip line. Yeah. True, once we go hiking later, it's gonna look super flat. Oh yeah.
This could be
surface. And I could walk for days, searching for a purpose. When you talk to me, give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface. And I could walk for days, searching for a place, stuck in your gaze. How can I get out? I'm out of time to make you mine. Better show me how.
We finally got John out of bed.
No, that, I don't know if that'll.
It's literally 1 p.m. What do you have to say for yourself?
It's not 1 p.m.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is. You just said you didn't know what time it was.
It's 11. I'm calling it right now. You ready? 11:10.
Sorry, guys. I have to censor this because this is just lying, and I don't want to let him lie to you. He's up at 1 p.m.
I got a feeling it's
Map day 2 at the Smokies. 4 of us in this car actually did some zip lining this morning. It was a blast. You should see a little bit of footage from that in the video. You guys go upside down, you gotta do a few tricks, and the instructors were a lot of fun. So yeah, definitely recommend it.
Check out Wahoo Zipline.
Wahoo zip lines, really good stuff. But yeah, we're gonna go hiking now. Nate, what trail are we going to again?
It's called the Chimney Tops Trail.
Chimney Tops.
It's a really popular one. It's a really pretty one, from what I've been told. I haven't been.
Yeah. We got jerky, we got bars, we got camera equipment. We're gonna go up and get some views and eat some snacks, obviously.
Right after hockey season, I'll probably be able to do it.
Guys, we are here at the trailhead, as you can see. Chimney Tops overlook. We got a mile, 1 3/4 miles or so. Yeah, we're gonna catch up with the rest of the group, but we'll catch you guys during the night.
This is literally just right on the front of the trail. It's just this massive roaring waterfall. Probably one of my favorite views so far, and it's only been like 3 minutes. Yeah.
Hi.
Hi.
Think we're about halfway, Nate?
I think we're more than that.
You think so?
Yeah.
Awesome. We found about a bunch of waterfalls, so I can't wait for the top.
Pretty out here. I can't get enough.
Ludi, you're the cross-country runner. How are you feeling?
It is like rancing up a little bit. It's definitely a decent incline for sure.
Yeah. No, it's warm.
It's freaking
Tom, what do you think?
pretty warm. It's hot.
What do you think of the trail?
So far, not too bad. Just hit the first steep part.
I think
So-
this is actually, we're close to the top.
Probably.
We've been going for a little bit.
I got a feeling it's the moment my life's gonna start. I got the feeling when the windows roll down in the car. I got the feeling if I wanna fly, I know that I could. I got a feeling it's all feeling good. I got a feeling it's all feeling good. The sun will show the way. I know the road to take.
Well, guys, we gotta be getting close. It's been steep. You can see a little bit. We're just climbing casually up that. Hey, bro. How you doing? What you got?
Okay, here's some shoe leather.
That is really the texture, like boot, leather boot.
Here's an old boot.
Yeah.
I'm eating a tiger.
Bring a giant toolbox up here, leave it.
Firefighters probably.
Well, we made it to the top. Turns out there wasn't enough wind to blow the moisture out of the way for us to see anything. But still worth it.
Maybe on our hike tomorrow.
Great workout.
True.
If anybody is looking for one in Tennessee to do up in Gatlinburg area, this is the workout.
Or the 11.2 mile trail.
Yeah, or that one. This felt like 11.2 miles.
True.
So yeah, I mean, we'll catch you guys when we get back to the bottom.
Tell me what you got.
It's like a peanut butter brownie. First time trying this. I've tried a lot of the flavors before from Go Bar, but it's pretty solid. I like double chocolate because it's dark. I like dark chocolate.
Then we've got peanut butter brownie, is the one that we've got. Then there's cookies and cream up that they have.
It's like a light dark chocolate. It's not super bitter. So it's
You don't feel bad eating it. It's like a nice, you know, dark chocolate's healthy. It's got these little like nuts. I don't think you can probably. Well, yeah, you can. It's got little nuts in it. It's nice. Solid. Shout out
Easily
to Go Bar.
get us down back.
Yeah, true. The perfect hike time snack. This is a montage video. Going
There be mama bear.
Yeah.
Be a mama. That's
That's why I'd run. So you gotta start running.
you ain't out running.
No.
As much as you
I see a freight train coming at you.
Unless you want.
See how fast I am? I'm pretty fast.
What's up?
You know how
All
fast
I
guys
have
go,
to be
right?
is faster than you.
What happened?
We got lost.
We got lost.
I was napping.
There's no signal.
There's no signal, and
Well, you know, you do what you can, so.
that's about it. The guy was pretty. We got lost in a pretty place. Better than being lost in like Detroit. No offense, Detroit. Kansas. Kansas.
Boston can't. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Because, like, there was
Everything is
corn
the same.
there, and there was corn.
You just send a drone up into the air in Kansas, and you can see out of the state all four ways.
Yeah.
Hey guys, Nate here. Well, even though I forgot the camera that I'm currently recording on completely in my bag on this trip, you know, stuff happens. Well, even though we did that, we have tons of footage from this trip, and I hope you're enjoying it so far. If you made it this far, you either skipped ahead a lot, which I respect, or you do enjoy it. Either way, this is going to come at you in two parts. This is the first part that you've been watching or are about to watch, either way, depending if you watch your videos backwards or not. I don't judge. Part 2 will be coming at you real soon. This was already like 17 minutes where I sit, and I'm not even done with the first day. We had tons of fun, tons of great footage, so part 2 coming at you real soon.